The new FLIR Duo Pro R takes drone thermal imaging to whole new heights. With high-resolution thermal and high-definition 4K color imaging in an integrated package, Duo Pro R gives drone operators double the imaging capabilities. Seeing heat differences from the air helps operators find infrastructure problems, monitor wildlife and livestock, and support public safety missions. Setup's fast and easy with the FLIR UAS mobile app, and capturing imagery's point and shoot simple. Choose the type of imagery that best suits your mission: thermal, high-definition visible, or picture-in-picture. Select the imagery you want to see and record it on 2 dedicated onboard SD cards. FLIR Duo Pro R. Thermal imaging elevated.